You got a raise. More money hitting your account every month. So why doesn't it feel like you're getting ahead? When you first hear the news, it feels like everything is about to change. More income means more savings, right? More freedom. More breathing room. But then something happens. You upgrade your apartment, get a nicer car, eat out more, treat yourself because you earned it. It's called lifestyle creep. And it's the silent killer of wealth. Your income goes up, but your expenses rise right alongside it. The gap between what you make and what you keep stays exactly the same. 6 months later, you're earning more, but you're no richer. You're just broke at a higher income level. This happens to people at every income level. 50,000, 100,000, 200,000. Lifestyle creep doesn't care how much you make. The problem isn't how much you earn, it's what you do with the increase. The Finance Reset Toolkit solves this. When you get a raise, you assign the extra money before you spend it. Savings, debt payoff, investments. You decide where it goes. You see the new income. You assign every dollar. The toolkit shows you what happens if you save it versus spend it. The math is right there. A $300 a month raise assigned to savings is over $3,600 a year. In 5 years, over $18,000 plus interest. That's what keeping your raise looks like. You don't have to live like a monk. But you do have to be intentional. Assign first. Spend what's left. The Finance Reset Toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, savings goal tracker, and an interactive web app that simulates your financial future. Don't let your next raise disappear. Tell it where to go. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit today. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.